everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be focusing on brows. I'm going to be showing you guys my routine from start to finish, and I'm going to be using Eediva Collections products. I'm going to be using their brow pencils, and then I'm wearing their lashes right now, and then I'm going to be using a few of their other products and demoing some of their other products later on in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I got y'all like super duper zoomed in, like y'all like all up in my brain cavity, like dang. But I guess, you know, that's how I have to do it for the brow tutorial. So I'm just gonna rock with it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush up my brows up. I'm just brushing them in like an upward motion. Like I had mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be using Eediva eyebrow pencils. I have the colors ebony, brown, and medium brown. So from the bottom, this is medium brown, brown, and then ebony. Medium brown is kind of like a neutral colored, like a light brown. It's kind of got like a neutral undertone. Brown kind of has like a reddish kind of warm undertone brown, and then ebony is like a deep dark brown, almost black. It kind of has like a neutral undertone as well. So I think I'm just going to be using ebony for the most part. I may use the medium brown. This is the eyebrow pencil, so it has a pencil on one end, and then it's a spoolie brush on the other. So now I'm going to draw a line underneath the brow, and then I'm going to be using like the lightest hand possible. I don't want to apply too much pressure. I'm just drawing like a line from the beginning to the end. Again, draw another line at the top of my brows. Trying to be sure to make my eyebrow arch at like my temple area, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same on this eye. And now at this point, I'm just going to draw like some hair-like strokes. I'm not just going to just scribble and color it in. I'm trying to make it like look more natural. So I'm just doing like some hair-like strokes to fill in the parts where like my skin is still showing. And then we're just going to leave the front bare for now. We're not going to pencil in the front just yet. And then another little hack that I do, that I did in my beginner's makeup tutorial, sometimes I hold the brow pencil like right in between the brows just to make sure that I got them like about as straight as I can. Now I'm gonna go back to that spoolie end and like blend in the pencil and just do like a little bit of blending with this spoolie. If you feel like you've messed up, you guys, don't worry. I'll show you guys like a little hack on how to fix it in a minute. I think that we're good for right now. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to go into a different product. I'm going to go into my Urban Decay brow blade. I'm just going to be using this this pen end to create like some hair-like strokes in the beginning of my brow. I forgot what color okay, this is the color dark brown, and then I'm just going to create like some hair-like strokes in like the very beginning, and then I'm just using like a very light hand. And then I just went in, and then I'm just going ahead and adding a few more strokes throughout the rest of the brow. Like I was saying, if you felt like you've messed up, you can go into your concealer, and then I'll just put like a little bit on the back of my hand. And then you'll just want to grab a like little liner brush or any kind of like liner brush or brow brush, and then you'll want to just clean it up right underneath, just like that. And even like the brow blade, the brow liner is completely optional. So this is an optional step as well. This is some brow gel, like the label and everything then rubbed off. But this is the, I believe this is a Benefit brow gel. And I think this is like a dark brown color too. This is just to set your brows into place, so like they don't go anywhere like all day. If you got like some big wispy brows, you may want to pick some of this up. You don't have to pick up this brand, but you may want to pick up some brow gel. I'm going to let the brow gel dry for a minute, and then the final step is I'm just going to set it with some loose setting powder. And now the brows are complete. So now I want to show you guys some other products from Eediva Collection that I really am loving right now. So these are the Eediva Collection lipsticks, and they come in like this super duper cute packaging. It looks like chocolates, and I've got the colors 314, 318, and 320, and I'm going to show you guys like how they look on me really quick. Ooh, and they even smell like chocolate too, you guys. This is super duper nice. This is the color 314. Ooh, and she's kind of giving fall. It's kind of like a burnt orange kind of color. They feel really moisturizing, and they have like a light to medium coverage that can be built up. This is 314. So this is the color 318, and it's kind of like a reddish orangish color. It's got like a little bit like more red in it. It is pretty, super duper pretty, perfect for fall. This one goes on a little bit more opaque than 314. Color is like more opaque, and it feels a little bit like more matte than the last color. But it is, I really like this color. I really like this one. I think that it's my favorite so far, but we got one more to try on. So the last color I got here is 320. Ooh, and she's even deeper. This color is like a vampire red almost. It's perfect for like a date night. You want to do like a smoky eye or whatever, or you can just do maybe like a gold lid and like a little bit of like a brown in the crease. And this color will be super duper pretty. So this is how all of them look together, lightest to darkest. Let me know down below which color were you guys feeling the most. I think it's between these two for me, but I don't know, I really liked all of them. So let me know what you guys think down below. Next Eediva Collection products that I wanted to get into were these cute keychain pouches with the cute matching lip glosses. Like, how cute is that, y'all? And I've been using this pink one right here, and then it came with this pink lip gloss. And I was able to fit like my key fob in here. I got my key fob, I got like a few other keys inside of here, and then it comes with this super duper cute scarf right here, and then I got like my house key, and then you can even hook this on like your belt loop or whatever. This is how all three of them look. So the white one comes with this blue lip gloss, and I'm curious, I think I want to try this one on today. The brown one comes with this clear and gold lip gloss. And like I had mentioned just a second ago, The pink one comes with this kind of clear pink lip gloss. Oh, and I just realized it's got like this LV like letters inside. I just realized that. I don't know if you all can like see that like on camera, but it's got like Louis Vuitton LVs inside. And these are really, I've been wearing this one. They are like really moisturizing. They have shea butter and coconut oil in them. The pink has like a little bit of a tint to it, but I'm just curious on how this blue one is gonna come up. I think this one has like Chanel. This one has like Chanel seeds inside of it. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. This one has like Chanel seeds in it. Super duper cool. The blue one is mainly clear, but it has like little blue sparkles in it. Super duper moisturizing. The pink kind of has like little pink and purplish sparkles in it. And then the clear has like gold sparkles in it, and then it has like Gucci G's in it. It has like Gucci G's inside of it. This would make a great stocking stuffer for someone. Maybe you can get one for like yourself. You can get one for like your mom, for your girlfriend. This is super duper cute. And then the last product that I wanted to show you guys from Eediva are their pretty lashes. Look at the packaging on this. Isn't it super duper cute? Look at this. It's all fuzzy and feathery. So the XL09 has the pretty like pearl trim around it, and then you'll just want to just grab the bottom and then the top to open it. So this style is XL03. And the pink is called the XL07. I've been wearing these like so much lately. I've been wearing these like the last few times that I have went out, and I just love them. And I have small eyes, but they don't overpower them at all. So I'm going to try on the blue ones on camera because I'm curious on how these are going to look on me. I haven't worn them yet. Went ahead and put on the purple ones for you guys. This is the XL03, and these are really sexy and pretty as well. I think that they're probably like the longest in length of the three. So these are the XL07s, aka the pink ones. These are the ones that I have been loving, and I've been wearing them like the last few times that I have been going out. So that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know which part of my brow routine you guys were feeling the most. Let me know which one you guys will incorporate into your routine. And then don't worry, I'll go ahead and list all of the Eediva Collections products down below. So don't worry, I'll go ahead and put them down below. And then let me know which product of the whole collection you guys were feeling the most. I love all of them. I'm really feeling the lashes and the glosses and the brow products and the lipsticks. I guess I love everything, but let me know down below which of the products you guys were feeling. And if you haven't already, go ahead and join the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, take care.